Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 8 of Project Based Learning, and today we will present to our project titled KRS Input System and Final Grades KHS. Firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Wulan Fawwazia as member, and my teammate Arnol Hutagalung as leader and Naila Tenri as member. So, without further ado, let's move on to introduction our project. Introduction. The KRS Input System and Final Grades KHS is a web-based academic system designed to simplify course registration and access to student grade results. This system helps students manage KRS and view KHS in a faster, easier, and more efficient way. Through this project, we also learn the process of designing and developing digital academic information system. Next, background. This image show the comparison in the past and current of course KRS registration and academic transcript access KHS. In the past, students had to come directly to campus, fill out manual form, wait in long queues, and spend more time to complete the process. But nowadays, with the online system, students can access KRS and KHS anytime and anywhere in a faster, easier, and more accurate way. Next, Arnol will present the next session.
Alright, thank you, Wulan. Next, I will explain the system overview of our application. As you can see, our system involves three main roles: lecturer, student, and admin. After logging, each roles direct to their specific dashboard. Student can view their courses and do their course registrations, which is limited by grade cap. Lecturer can view their courses and input the final scores to generate the academic transcript. Now, next we have the admin. Admin manages the students, lectures, and the course data. All activity are securely saved into the database. Next, moving on to entity relationship diagram, or we call it ERD. At the top, we use the S.Si relationship for inheritance. Users is the superclass containing credentials like username, passwords, which specialize into the three subclasses like students, admin, and lecturer. Here is how the entity interact. Student takes the course registration, which contains subject from course table. Admin is responsible for managing course data, and last is lecturer teach the course linking each lecture to their specific subject. Finally, the registration process generates the grade entity for formulate the final academic transcript. That's all for me. Next, the presentation will be continued by Naila.
Okay, now we discuss about functional requirement and non-functional requirement. First, the functional requirement, we have a login for student, admin, and lectures. Admin can manage data like courses, students, lectures, and admin. Students can manage their course registration. Lectures can view student lists to input and update course grades. Students can view the academic transcript. Meanwhile, the non-functional requirement, we have a login restrict access, fast registration course processing and view transcript display, simple and user-friendly interface, responsive design like mobile and desktop, secure storage of registration and grades, multi-browser accessibility, and proper Indonesian language usage. Let's talk about use case diagram. This slide shows the use case diagram of our course registration and academic transcript management system. The diagram illustrates how each user interacts with the system and the function they can perform. First, we have a students. Students can log in for the system. After that, students can manage their course, and view the academic transcript. Meanwhile, the lecturers can log in and input grade students. For the admin can manage data like courses, lectures, students, and admin. Now I will explain about the progress of this system. This logbook shows all projects from planning, analysis, design, implementation front-end, implementation back-end, and database, testing, and final report. All steps were completed on time, and the project reached 100% completion. So yeah, based on the analyze, design, implementation, and testing result, the web-based course registration and academic transcript system was successfully developed. It helps students, lecturers, and admin to manage course registration, grades, and academic transcript. The testing result showed that all main features work properly, so the system is ready for academic use.
That's all for our presentation. We hope this presentation has been informative. Thank you for your attention.